Hey everybody, I'm outside walking the dog, and there's higher click-through rate. How do I do it? Well, you tell me. Anyways, this dog makes you very happy as you see more people love the channel and want to be a part of it. Right, Max? Right? I am doing this totally unscripted. I didn't think it was scripted at all. Should have done that. Should have thought of a title. Didn't do that. I'm breaking all the rules. Sorry, vidIQ. Yes. So, I'm here walking the dog. Doing that. And trying to think what to say next. 1,100 and something subscribers. That's big at 2,000 people. Come on. Let's do it. We can do this. Together we can do this. You also subscribe to the channel, you're better than most other channels. This channel is. We love you all. We love that you support us. Hopefully I get this channel monetized, so we gotta have Patreons and super thanks and all the perks of a monetized channel. So I gotta serve you more and have better videos up for you guys. Max and I will talk to you later. Right, Max?